Today we are going to learn how to use Grok in your Tesla. Grok is your AI companion. It is an advanced artificial intelligence built by xAI. Grok can answer questions and provide insights on a wide range of topics. It is designed to be helpful, informative, and easy to use while you are in your vehicle. Not all Tesla vehicles have Grok. Currently, it is available for Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and Cybertruck vehicles. Your vehicle must have an AMD processor and be running Tesla software version 2025.26 or later. You also need either a premium connectivity subscription or a stable Wi-Fi connection. Grok may become available on more Tesla vehicles in the future through software updates, but availability can change at any time. To enable and use Grok, you can use your vehicle's touchscreen or the steering wheel voice button. On the touchscreen, tap the app launcher and then tap Grok. You can also press and hold the voice button on the steering wheel to start Grok. Once it is active, you can ask questions, get recommendations, or even ask for creative suggestions like stories or music. It is important to know that Grok does not control vehicle functions. You cannot use it to change the climate, navigate, or control the car in any way. It is mainly designed for conversation, information, and entertainment. Thanks for watching.